Question number 19. For how many real values of x this value is equal to 1? Now remember, a power b can be equal to 1 in 3 ways. Let's look at what are the 3 ways. Case 1. When a equal to 1 and b is anything. Because 1 power anything is 1. Case 2. A is anything but b is equal to 0. But case 3 is where people usually forget. Case 3 is when a is minus 1 and b is an even integer, even positive integer. Okay, so if you have this, in fact it doesn't have to be positive. Even integer is good enough, because minus 1 to the power of minus 2 is minus 1 by 1 by minus 1 whole square, which is 1. So basically you need an even integer only. These are 3 cases. So look at all the 3 cases. So this is your a and this is your b. So first case I'm trying to find when a equal to 1, which means x square plus 2x plus 2 is equal to 1, which gives me x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. This gives me x plus 1 whole square equal to 0. X is minus 1. This is one case. X is equal to minus 1. The second case, if I go with, I'm not concerned about a here, I'm concerned about b. b is x square plus x minus 12 is equal to 0, which means x plus 4 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is minus 4 or x is 3. But please be careful about one thing. When you get these two values, when I say a is anything, you have to only make sure that a is not equal to 0, because if a is equal to 0, b is also equal to 0, 0 power 0 is undefined. So make sure that the answers that you get here does not make or do not make a as 0, that is the lower quadratic equation as 0. So you can clearly see that the roots of the x square plus 2x plus 2 or x square plus 2x plus 2 will not become 0 when x equal to minus 4, because this is 16 minus 8 plus 2, which is not equal to 0, and it is 9 plus 6 plus 2, which is not equal to 0. So both of these answers are acceptable. And then finally the third case, you will notice that x square plus 2x plus 2 equal to minus 1, or you get x square plus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. You will see that these are not integral roots, not integers. The roots are not integers. If the roots are not integers, then you will also see that the power cannot give you an integer value. Therefore, the third case will have no answers. So you got 1, 2 and 3. Totally you have 3 answers. That is your answer.